Go ahead and get into a nice, comfortable position. Allow your body to begin that process of relaxation. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes, allowing that relaxation to move through every part of your body. Taking a nice, easy, deep breath. Go ahead and find a comfortable position and take a moment to settle into this nice, relaxed state. Close your eyes and begin to let go of any tension or stress you may be carrying. Obviously not operating any heavy machinery at this time. This is your time to focus on your well-being and support your body's healing abilities. Imagine yourself in a peaceful, natural setting. Picture yourself surrounded by a lush, healing garden. Notice that the vibrant colors of the flowers, the gentle rustling of the leaves, and the soothing fragrance of the plants. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and a soft, cool breeze brushing against your face. Take a deep breath in and imagine inhaling the rejuvenating scents of the garden. As you exhale, release any stress or discomfort from your body. Allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation with each breath. Visualize yourself walking through the garden, feeling a sense of calm and serenity. As you walk, you come across a healing spring. It's crystal clear water bubbling up from beneath the ground. This spring is known for its miraculous healing properties. You decide to approach the spring and cup your hands to collect its water. As you drink from your hands, you feel the coolness and purity of the water flowing through your body. With each sip, you are replenished, and a deep sense of healing and vitality washes over you. Imagine the water from this spring spreading throughout your body, reaching every cell and nourishing them with its healing energy. Feel any areas affected by autoimmune issues being bathed in this soothing water, rejuvenating and restoring them to a state of balance and health. As you continue to relax, repeat the following affirmations silently or out loud. My body is resilient and capable of healing itself. I am surrounded by the healing powers of nature, which support my well-being. I release any negative patterns or imbalances that no longer serve me. I choose to nourish my body with foods and activities that promote healing and vitality. Every day, in every way, my body is becoming healthier and stronger. Taking a nice, relaxing breath in and out. Peaceful, calm. Take a moment and appreciate the peacefulness and healing energy of the garden. Know that you can return to this place of relaxation and rejuvenation whenever you need it. Trust in your body's ability to heal and support it with positive actions in your daily life. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. With each number, you'll become more alert and refreshed, carrying the positive energy from this session into your day. 1. Getting a sense of the light in the room, getting a sense of the sounds inside and outside of the room. 2. Becoming more and more aware of your environment. 3. Wiggling your fingers and toes and arms and legs and base and head. 4. Your eyes beginning to open now. And when you're ready, open your eyes, feeling revitalized, ready to embrace your journey towards health and well-being. 5. All the way, wide awake, feeling good. And it is my hope that as you continue through your day, that you remember that you are always connected to a healing stream of light that is always here for you and can help you with everything that you need. Have a beautiful day.